Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solution for Jenkins, and as we know, that is the best SSO solution available for the Jenkins. So, in this video we are going to set up Jenkins Single Sign-on with G Suite using SAML protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Jenkins dashboard and click on Manage Jenkins. Click on Manage Plugins. Now go to the Available tab, search SSO and select Plugin, then click on Download and restart Jenkins. Here you can see the plugin is downloaded successfully. Then go to Manage Jenkins, and click on Configure Global Security. Then select miniOrange SAML 2.0 and click on Save. Here you can see miniOrange SAML SSO tab to configure all details. Now we are configuring the G Suite as an identity provider. Go to the G Suite login page and log in with your credentials. Navigate to the Apps tab in the left menu and click on Web and Mobile Apps. Then click on Add Apps. And select Add Custom SAML App. Now enter the app name of your choice. And click on Continue. These are the options to configure SAML apps. Now I have select Download Metadata option. See here, successfully download the file. Then scroll down and click on Continue button. For ACS URL, go to Jenkins and copy the ACS URL, and paste it in the field. For Entity ID, copy the SP Entity ID, and paste it in the field. Then select Name ID format. And click on Continue button. Now click on Add Mapping to add attributes. Add the attributes as first name, last name and email. You can add group as well. Then click on Finish button. Go to User Access dropdown and select Service Status On for everyone. Then click on Save. Now, let's configure Jenkins as the service provider. Click on miniOrange SAML SSO. For metadata file path, go to metadata file you have already downloaded and select Copy as Path. And paste it in the field. And click on Validate Metadata File. Scroll down and click on Test Configuration. Then click here to see the test configuration. Here you can see successful test configuration here, along with name ID, first name, last name, email, and group. You will get to see SSO button on the Jenkins login page. Click on Login with IdP. Log into your user account of G Suite. You will be successfully logged into your Jenkins dashboard. miniOrange provides the best single sign-on solution for Jenkins. Thanks for watching.